being one of the most developed provinces in the Philippines.
I'm in Phuket in southern Thailand.
The shark out 3 times now.
A long ride to another famous icon of
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean. Can't believe me, guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want.
Malapascua Island is located at the northern part of Cebu. From the main city of Cebu, it is around 130 kilometers, which will take about a 3 to 4 hour drive to Maya New Port. If you're bringing your car, parking won't be an issue. There are parking areas for rent near the Maya port. We park at CEBU Maya as we find it secure. It is also a restaurant that serves quality meals at an affordable price. Tourists going to Malapascua are required to go to the tourism office to fill up a contact tracing form and pay a tourist fee. From Maya port, we then took a small boat of about 30 to 40 minutes to reach the island. The island is small with a land area of just 2.5 kilometers in length and 1 kilometer in width. It is famous as a diving destination known for its rich marine life, and the treasure sharks host a spotlight where you can 100% see them when diving. Even though you're not into diving, the island has an array of beaches, hidden coves, and the well-known Bounty Beach where you can hang out and chill. You can tour around the island visiting those different spots by renting a motorbike, but in our case, we don't know how to drive a motorbike, so we opt for the island tour instead. Just a piece of advice for those taking the motorbike tour: bring with you a guide, as the island doesn't have main streets, only small alleys that is puzzling and confusing, leaving you lost and wasting time. Having a guide makes it more convenient to explore the island and saves a lot of time. And we're looking for this spa, and we're just relying on the Google Maps. And we're quite confused because they have really small alleys here. I mean, their alleys are their main roads. So the streets here are quite so small and you get confused. In the city, this is called the alleys, but here, these are the main streets. So good morning from the island of Malapascua. So today it's a fine day and it's a bit cloudy, but we're gonna be going on a boat tour. So we're gonna be going to North Beach, this Japanese shipwreck, snorkeling, some sanctuaries for snorkeling, and we'll see what our guide's gonna give us on this boat trip also. Actually, Malapascua is famously known for their treasure sharks, but you need to dive in order to experience it, and we're not gonna be diving anytime. But if you're not gonna dive, you can still experience a lot of this island. So that's why they have an array of sandy beaches and some sanctuaries for snorkeling. Our island tour started off at Dakit Island, where we snorkeled on the marine sanctuary. It was not an easy swim for us as the swells were strong, draining much of our energy fighting against the current even though we had flippers on. By the way, the boat tour also offers snorkeling gears for rent if you happen to need one. We brought our own snorkeling gear except for the flippers. Next was supposed to be snorkeling on a Japanese shipwreck, but still due to strong waves, I asked our tour guide to just skip it and just proceed to a destination where we can swim peacefully as we just want to relax and just enjoy. So we proceeded to North Beach Sanctuary, where there were no waves, and luckily as we arrived, the sun came out, showing blue skies, and we took a dip at the crystal clear waters. We docked at the North Beach shores, took some refreshments, and enjoyed the beautiful sunny weather for a while. Then we headed back to our resort. By the way, we stayed at the Blanco Beach Resort. During the duration of our stay, we were the only guests. At night, all we can hear were the sound of the cricket, waves crushing the rocks on the shore, and the sound of the friendly resort gecko. And what makes the sound really spooky was, we were beside the island cemetery. On a sad note, because of what the world is experiencing right now with COVID, the locals on the island who were depending most of their livelihood on tourists are now forced to go back to the sea for food or go to the city to make a living to support their families. Many establishments got closed like hotels, restaurants, and diving shops. As travelers like us who loves food, our main dilemma was finding a place to eat. Fortunately for us, there were still a couple of restaurants that were open. Whew! Since we are now transitioning to the new normal, we need to support local businesses, products, and tourist spots. Travel within the province responsibly. Follow the health protocols. Social distancing. Practice frequent hand washing. And wear your face mask properly. Be safe and enjoy.
'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by.